Let's talk about how to create live good capture pages with Getresponse. And we're starting right now. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. So we're going to get into how to create high converting opt-in landing pages, capture pages with Getresponse for your live good business. All right. First thing I just want to tell you guys, you do not want to be a copycat marketer. Yes, live good does give you some capture pages, but after a while, think about thousands and thousands of people promoting the same capture pages. You want to not be a copycat marketer. You want to kind of stand out. And to separate yourself from the crowd, your marketing will be different from everybody else's. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. So the reason I love creating capture pages with Getresponse is because Getresponse is very easy to use. It's very beginner friendly. I've been using Getresponse for a while now, and I love this software because I don't need to have different softwares that does the same thing. I don't have a landing page software just to create landing pages and then an autoresponder. I have them both in one with Getresponse. And they currently have a free plan up to 500 contacts. So you can create your account for free. But let's get into two of my landing pages that I created, and I'm going to show you how I created them. I'm going to break them down in this video and just sharing with you how to use your creativity to stand out from the crowd and create some amazing landing pages. So here's one of the landing pages I created, guys. Very, very simple. It's just some text at the top. It says Live Good is the new sheriff in town. Grow a team and income 3 times faster than anything else online. And this GIF right here I got from Google. All right, so if we go to Google, you can create, let's just go to Google real fast. You can search all different type of GIFs. And if you click on images, right, you got all these cool types of GIFs. And I'm just using this as an example. Of course, you would want to right click and save this to your computer, and then you can upload that to not only Getresponse, but I believe any other landing page builder. So that's how I did that with this sheriff one. And you know, I just put my own links down here. I found these emblems, these icons, social media icons, and I linked my social media profiles to them. So I got my YouTube channel and all my social media is linked down here if you want to click on them, or if anybody wanted to connect with me, which is branding my face, branding me, which separates me from the crowd of everybody else who's just only promoting the standard Live Good landing page. So let's dig a little bit deeper in another landing page that I made for promoting Live Good. I think I created like 5 or 6 of them. I have different angles that I'm promoting, but check this one out right here. So this is one that I created. Very, very simple to make. It's just a red background header right here, and you can do that by clicking on drag and drop section. So this is just a section, and you can see that went right here. And if you double click it, you can change it to any color you want to. And all I did was just make it red, all right? So that's what this part is. Text, I'm sure you know how to get to the text. This is your text right here. You just grab and drag. Everything is grab and drag, guys. It's like I'm stuck right here. Let me erase that. So everything is just grab and drag. This is an icon from Google that I found. And you can search a lot of different things for like PNG items, PNG pictures. So this website you actually may want to save into your bookmarks, right? It's called Luna Pick. And the reason I like using this thing because you can make any picture transparent. If we go back, this here is a transparent money picture, right? All these things are just layers. They're just layered. And you could switch back and forth by the layers right here. You can play with these and push things to the front and push things to the back. That's how I got these. This is a transparent image also, and I did all that with this thing right here. So if I So one of these settings right here, you can scroll over and you'll see transparent background. Here it is down here. Transparent background. You click on that right there. You upload the image that you want. Let me find the image real fast. Let's say this one right here. So you just click on the background. It'll populate already. And you just press apply. Alright? And if I wanted to do even further, I could click on the F inside the middle. You see how the middle disappeared right there? You just press apply. And now you save this to your computer again. Alright? And you go back to your landing page builder, and I could swap this image out with the one we just made transparent. So let me find that real fast. Right there. Press use, and bam, look at that. So now we got a different transparent image. If we want to use this one, and we just center that right there. And I like to zoom in. I like to get close and personal. I like to make sure everything is good. I created this thing right here, and this is how you stand out. This is how you stand out from the crowd, guys. Because you do not want to be a copycat marketer like this guy. Now, I don't know how this guy literally ripped off my whole entire page. Look at this, man. Look at this, bro. He swiped me. I don't know if he like a coder or whatever he did, but he swiped my stuff. He put his own little so-called opt-in page that didn't even work when I entered my information in. But he literally swiped me, man. So please create some good stuff so they can steal your ideas, because I'm tired of people stealing mine. All right. I had to message this guy on Facebook. I found him. I caught him red-handed, and I sent him a message straight up. This is amateur marketing, guys. Do not be an amateur marketer. I even found one guy who used my banner with my face on it for his promotion. Like I was promoting on a website. I was like, oh, I didn't know I had one of my banners on here. And I clicked on my own banner with my face on it, and it went to his website. Come on, man. I put my face on stuff so I can stand out. Don't be an amateur. Use your creativity. Your creativity, your brain, your ideas. That's what's going to make you millions in this industry. Not ripping off other people. Create your own stuff so people could steal your ideas and stop stealing mine. So if you're paying for different tools, I highly recommend just one. I wanted to make my life easier because I used to promote lead pages, and then I would have to integrate that with Getresponse as an autoresponder, and I ended up dropping lead pages, even though it was one of the best landing page builders I ever used. Last but not least, if you're interested in joining Live Good, we are the #1 team under Jeff Amen, and Jeff Amen has his own funnel with lead pages, right? So if you're thinking about joining us, or if you want to join under me, click the link in the description. You'll have full access to Jeff Amen's funnel, to where he takes you by the hand, and you get to customize this. You get to put your picture here. I got my YouTube channel there, and this you get to use his social proof, guys. Jeff Amen created something amazing right here. He's the #1 affiliate in Live Good right now. We got a team that's growing like crazy. So if you want to join somebody that's actually not going to quit on you, that's actually going to help you get some results, definitely consider me as that type of person, because I am that type of person. All right, I'm going to be in this industry regardless of what company is around, because hey, we don't have control over the company, but we do have control over our content, right? I'm more interested in building a 6- and 7-figure business, not just a downline. All right, so if you're interested in joining me in Live Good, you're gonna have my personal contact information through my email and text. You'll be able to text me, and I'll plug you in with Jeff Amen's personal funnel. All right, through Leads Leap. All right, so that's all I got for you. If you enjoyed this video, and just getting some ideas on how to be more creative and using your creativity, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. Get creative, keep marketing, keep learning, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.